Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm gonna show you my new GE um, top refrigerator. So it has got two compartments, as you can see. This is the freezer part, okay, mid, cold, colder, okay, and it also has got this lower part. I'm yet to use it, that's why it looks very new. And they have given some tools here, okay. Model number and other things are here, okay. This side, okay, fine. And for temperature control, they have given here. See, a lot of you may have questions how to adjust the temperature, so you can do this using this. Hold set button for 3 seconds for standby, or you have directions. If you press, it's gonna move this, so cold to coldest, okay. And then how it goes. Now here also in top, so that was for the bottom part. For this freezer, you still have like this indicator: cold, mild and colder. You can use cold, mild, colder. Let me focus and show you. Yeah, you see this control indicator? This moves here and there to adjust the temperature. They have put some thermocol here, I don't know why. Okay, that's good. So other things are well. So yeah, and again I have purchased 6 years warranty for this, so hopefully it is gonna do well. So hopefully yes, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.